Understanding first and second fix electrics. This is a comprehensive guide from myself, Karen Smith, with over 21 years experience in the electrical industry. In today's video, we're going to delve into an essential aspect of electrical work during construction, the difference between the first fix and second fix electrics. Understanding these two crucial stages is crucial for everyone looking to renovate, build or upgrade their home's electrical system. Whether you're a homeowner considering a project, a DIY enthusiast, or simply curious about how electrical systems are installed, this video will provide valuable insights. First fix electrics and second fix electrics refer to the two distinct stages of electrical work that take place in buildings. Each stage has its specific tasks and purposes, making up the electrical installation process. First fix involves the groundwork of the electrical system. This includes hidden wiring and the installation of back boxes, running cables through walls and through ceilings before any finishing work is done, such as plastering. Second fix is, on the other hand, about connecting up the visible parts of the electrical system. This happens after the plastering is complete and involves fitting plug sockets, light switches, light fixtures, and testing the entire system to ensure everything works safely and correctly. Let's break down each phase in detail. First fix electrics. Hidden wiring. The first stage sets the stage for the entire electrical system. This part of the process involves working on elements that will eventually be concealed behind walls and ceilings. So here's what happens during the first fix electrics. Running cables. The first step in the first fix process is running electrical cables throughout the property. Electricians will determine the best routes for these cables, ensuring they are safe, efficient and compliant with the current regulations. Installing back boxes. Back boxes are essential for mounting switches and sockets securely. During first fix, the electricians will install these boxes in the walls, readying them for the visible components that will be added later. Preparing for future connections. First fix is all about laying the groundwork for later steps. It's crucial to ensure that everything is in place before plastering begins. My team and myself at Bright Spark Electrical Services excel at assessing the needs of the electrical design and preparing the first fix to ensure a seamless transition to the second fix. Prior to plastering, the first fix is performed after the building shell is completed and is weatherproof, but before any plastering or interior finishes are applied. This timing is vital because once the plaster is applied, making changes to the wiring can become challenging and messy. Protection of cables. Running cables prior to plastering reduces the risk of any damage to the wiring caused by subsequent work on the walls. Ensuring accessibility. With the building still open, electricians can work more freely and safely without the constraints that come after plastering. Here are the key tasks involved in the first fix electrics. Routing electrical cables. This is crucial for ensuring that all necessary areas of the home have access to electricity when needed. Installing back boxes. These will serve as mounts for the light switches and sockets to be installed later. Planning the layout. Establishing where each socket and switch will be located based on the layout of the rooms. From our expertise, many years of experience, it comes in handy here as we can ensure that everything is positioned conveniently and effectively.